The Cleer Enduro 100 headphones. Hello everyone, welcome to Brian Unboxed. In this video, we will take a look at an over-the-ear headphones by Cleer, the Enduro 100. I will go over specs, features, provide music and microphone samples, then give my thoughts. I have included the link in the description below for the product. If you are new to my channel or have been here before, thanks for taking the time to watch. Also, don't forget to like, subscribe, and enable notifications so you don't miss out on future videos. So let's take a look. Inside it comes with the user guide, USB-C charging cable, and a 3.5mm audio cable. It also comes with a storage pouch. The headphone features 100 hours of listening time. It has quick charge, so 10 minutes will give you 12 hours, and it takes 3 hours to fully charge. Uses Bluetooth 5.0, AAC, SBC, aptX HD codec, 40mm drivers, button controls, and USB-C for charging. This comes in two colors, sand and navy. It feels very light with the overall build. The ear cups swivel out, and it also folds in for easier storage. The ear indicators are visible and are clearly marked on the lower part of the headband. The ear cups have a medium firmness to them, and it's well padded. The upper half of the band has a good amount of padding as well. Taking a look at the outer band, it has a matte finish. Each adjustment level clicks into place, and you get a good amount of travel. It's very flexible, as you can see, so this should have no issues accommodating various head sizes. The outer face of the ear cups have the branding and is lined with a pattern design. It also has some chrome accenting. All the controls are on the left side, and you'll find the following: the volume controls, multi-function button, power button, USB-C charge port, LED, and microphone. The headphones weigh in at roughly 286 grams. Now for some music samples. This will give you a sense on how they sound like. It is not a full representation of the overall sounds, as there's no replacements for actually having them on. It will then be followed by a microphone sample.
If you try, you wouldn't understand it. Maybe something's missing inside of you. Just a bit of sugar to that horrid bitter. Maybe you taste different. Hold up, baby. I can sit beside you while you're going on about your simple life.
Now for a microphone sample in a noisy setting. This is a test of the Cleer Enduro 100 headphones microphone. Testing 1, 2, 3. Testing 1, 2, 3. The pairing process was instant and I had no issues. When testing video on an iOS device, there was no noticeable latency. Range was also stable as I tested in a 1400 square feet setting. Here are my thoughts on the Cleer Enduro 100. They were extremely comfortable and lightweight. Easy to adjust, and the ear cups wrapped around my ears with no issues. The padding on the headband and ear cups were very soft. The band is flexible and it doesn't feel tight or put too much pressure around my head. Build and quality is solid. They feel durable and tight all around. Controls are responsive and they work with no issues. I like the overall design and the subtle accenting, and battery life is excellent at 100 hours. Now when it comes to sound, these performed. Bass comes in pronounced, tight, and punchy. Very accurate and not overblown or airy. It doesn't sound boosted at all. Mids and highs come in balanced. You get that good depth and clarity with vocals and instruments. I would describe it as precise, crisp, and balanced throughout. You also may have picked up some of the details in the sound sample. Overall, I felt that the headphones performed well. The price is competitive and I feel you will get good value with the overall design and sounds. So that is my review of the Cleer Enduro 100 headphones. If you like my video, go ahead and hit that like button, and if you haven't subscribed yet, hit that subscribe button as well. Until next time, this is Brian Unboxed. Take care, everyone.